Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view or check all of the groups that you are currently following in your Facebook account. So, in order to check all of the groups, simply open your Facebook application and then simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you have done that, you can see this groups tab right here. Simply click on this groups tab and then in the groups option, simply click on this setting gear box icon that appears at the top corner. Then from here, the third option is the following option. So from here, you can follow or unfollow groups to control what you see in your news feed as well. So simply click on this following button right here. And here you can see it is a list of all of the groups that you are currently following or you are a member of in your Facebook ID. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.